Hot damn, Mr. Burns. What's going on down here?
Just the start of it. Rerouting that spaghetti mess. Yes. I mean, very well done.
No, it was clean. Nicely done.
We talked about another video, the video before we took it apart, like they should have gone up with it, to pull the trans, to make it easier to pull the trans, but it's all right. I'm getting, my memory's coming back. I got to
having non-flashbacks.
Yeah, well, at least they're not those ones.
You have those later.
Yep.
Cocaine's a hell of a drug. Come on, that's funny. Remember that from Chappelle Show?
Woo! Anyways.
Weird. It's what the hell day is this?
Feels like it's a Thursday.
Feels like a Monday. You think it's Thursday?
Yeah.
Xander, what day is this?
Tuesday.
Shit. Okay.
So, yep, we're just plucking along again. And I'm kind of getting them all laid out. Then I'll get them all really, screwed down once they're laid out in the correct places.
And then once you have it all laid out and routed, then I'll make the one that I need to modify or repair.
Yeah.
And then that should be about it.
Besides bleeding.
And then we'll bleed them, and then we'll start putting trans fluid in. And then that's pretty much it.
Yeah.
Our exhaust flange donut, the new gasket's here. I know Xander had half of it off, and it came apart, so maybe if Mr. Burns would like to finish beating that off.
He started it.
But you're stronger.
I feel sorry for his girlfriend.
Damn. Shots fired.
She's satisfied.
What?
What?
Jesus. God.
Now it's on record. Womp womp.
I'm waiting for her to comment on the video and be like, he's lying.
Oh my God.
That's funny. Anyway, all right. So carrying on. Gotta get that exhaust done. This exhaust hanger back here, by the way, it's kind of seen better days. I might just order one and put it on there because it's gonna be real fun to get all this done, and then this thing goes out down the street and hits the driveway and goes bye. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's quality shit. All right, so we got that going. That looks really pretty, Burnsy.
I wait till I get the third line up. Yeah.
Nice. And the adapters are over in that box there.
What adapters?
For the master.
Oh, I thought I just glued it to the plastic. Drill hole. That's not how we do it?
Well, the guys that did this routing, I'm surprised they didn't do that, but
Oh, okay. See? Close enough.
looking good.
All right.
All right.
That's what you say?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
What?
Okay.
All right, yeah, let me get this third line because I want to, if I remember correctly, a couple of lines, the P clamps were doubled.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure everything's routed the way it's supposed to be.
Looks good. Coming along.